For today's lesson, we are going to discuss kung paano mag-solve ng composition of functions. Now, ang composition of function is it is one of the operations on function. It is denoted by this symbol right here, no? The open circle na symbol. And this can be read as f composed of g of x, which means f of g of x. Now, the question is, paano tayo mag-solve ng composition of functions? Okay, now consider the following functions. We have f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, g of x is equal to 2x, and h of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. Now, find and simplify the following. Now, let's start with the first, no? Let's try to find and simplify f composed of g of x. Now, if we are going to solve f composed of g of x, it simply means that, okay, by definition, we have f, f of the second function, the g of x. Okay, so f of g of x. Okay, so that's composition of functions. Now, at this point, ang gagawin lang natin is we just simply, replace, the value of g of x, na given sa ating problem. So, in this case, ang value ni g of x natin is equal to 2x. So, that means we have f, of, then the value of g of x, which is 2x. And then, kung makikita natin dito, this is evaluation of functions. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, we just simply evaluate the function f of x, when the value of g of x is the second function, which is 2x, or the g of x, which is equal to 2x. So, in this case, to evaluate this one, we have, 2 times, and i-plug in lang natin kung anong value ng g of x. In this case, that is equal to 2x. Okay, so i-plug in natin yan sa value ni x dyan. So that is, of course, 2 times 2x. Okay, and then, of course, plus 1. And then let's simplify this one. Of course, 2 times 2x, that is just equal to 4x. Then plus 1. As you can see, this is now the simplified form of our problem. So therefore, si f composed of g of x is just equal to 4x plus 1. And this is now our final answer. Now, let's proceed to our second example. So here, let's try to solve this one. H composed of g of h. Okay, so again, by definition, when we say h composed of g of x, so by definition, we have h, of, g of x, no? So g of x. Okay, so now, as you can see, same sa ginawa natin kanina, ang next natin gagawin dito is we just simply replace, kung anong value ni g of x dito sa ating problem. So in this case, we have h, and then, what's the value of g of x? That's equal to 2x. So i-replace na lang natin yan dyan. So we have 2x. And then, ang next natin gagawin dito is we just simply evaluate this function, the function h of x, when the value of x is equal to the second function, which is the g of x, which is equal to 2x. And that is, of course, we have, so we have, of course, we have x here, so lagyan natin ng 2x yan. So we have 2x, then squared, then minus 2 times the value of x, which is 2x, is equal. Let's use other color to classify this one. So we have 2x. Okay. Same with here, Same din dito. Let's put, lagyan natin ng 2x din because we have the value of x here. So we have 2x right here, 2x, and then plus 2. Okay, so ang next natin gagawin, we just simply simplify this one, So here, 2x squared, that is just equal to what? That is just equal to 4x squared. Okay, so then minus, of course, 2 times 2x, that is just equal to 2 2 times 2x, that is just equal to 4x, no? Or minus 4x, then plus 2. But of course, as you can see, no, this is now the simplified form of this one, no? There's no need to factor this out. So therefore, CH of g, okay, CH composed of g of x is just equal to 4x squared minus 4x plus 2. And this is now our final answer for this example. Now let's proceed to our third and last example. So here we have, okay, so here we have h composed of f, okay, h composed of f of x. So dito yung main function natin dito now is the h of x, and it is composed with the function f of x. So as you can see now, when we say h composed of f of x, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, we have h, okay, of the second function, no, which is the f of x. So that is f of x. Okay. So again, same pa rin yung gagamitin natin, no? Kung anong gagawin natin dito. So we just simply replace kung anong value ni f of x. So again, yung value ni f of x dyan is just equal to 2x plus 1. So i-replace natin dyan. So you have h of the value of f of x, which is equal to 2x. Okay, 2x plus 1. Okay. So, next natin gagawin dito, no, as you can see, no, this is now the evaluation of function. Ang ibig sabihin nito, we just simply evaluate this function when the value of x is just equal to f of x, which is 2x plus 1. So, therefore, to do this, we have, okay, of course, as you can see dito, no, meron tayong x dito. So, ilagay natin, i-replace natin dyan si 2x plus 1. So, we have 2x plus 1. Okay, let's use other color, no? Let's use other color. So we have, of course, we have 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. And then, okay, 2x plus 1. Okay, so, then naka-squared, no, sa ating sa ating given, no, si x squared dito yung naka-square. So that means dito then is-square din natin to. Then minus, we have 2, then times, same pa rin, meron tayong x dito. So, ilagay din natin si 2x plus 1 dyan. So, we have 2x. Okay, 2x plus 1. Okay. So, now, 2x plus 1, then plus. Okay, plus 2. Again, ha, ito yung basis natin. We just simply evaluate this function when the value of x is equal to the function f of x. Okay. So, let's simplify this one, no? So, dito, we need to expand, okay? Expand this one. Now, to expand this one, we need to remember this this property, no? For binomial expansion, no? When it is raised to 2. So, let's say we have, okay? Let's say we have, we have two terms now of binomials, a, okay? A plus b. Then, erase natin yan to squared. So, kung expand natin yan, that's basically, of course, ang gagawin lang natin is squared natin yung first term, that is a squared. Okay? And then, the second term will be, multiply natin itong dalawa, then i-times natin to 2, no? So, a times b, then i-multiply natin by 2, so that is 2ab. Then, plus, then the last term will be squared din natin, so that is b squared. Okay, so let's just remember this, this property on how to expand this one. So, dito, ang mangyari, if you're going to expand to x plus 1, so first, i-square natin yung first term. So, that is 4x, no? So, that is 4x squared. Okay, 4x squared. And then, the second term will be, of course, i-multiply natin to. I-multiply natin yung first, yung coefficient lang, no? Yung coefficient, 2. I-multiply natin to 2x, then 1, so that is 2x. Then, times 2, that is just equal to 4x. So, plus 4x. And then, same din dito, sa last term, ang gagawin natin dyan is i-square natin, no? So, 1 squared, so that is just equal to 1. Then, minus, of course, ang gagawin natin dito, no? Ang gagawin natin dito is, of course, i-distribute natin si negative 2x on this side right here. So, we have negative 2 times 2x, that is just equal to negative 4x. Okay, then negative 2 times 1, that is just equal to negative 2, then plus 2. Okay, so let's simplify this further. So, ang gagawin natin dito is we combine the common terms, no? We just need to combine the common terms. As you can see dito, wala namang common terms si si 4x square, so we just simply copy that one. So we have 4x squared. But of course, kung makikita natin dito, merong common si 4x at saka dito, no? But as you can see, kung i-add natin to, si 4x tapos si negative 4x, that is just cancelled, no? Ma-cancelled lang yan sila. So therefore, wala na to. Ma-cancelled out itong si 4x at 4x. So matira na lang, we have here also the constant, no? So we have 1, then minus 2, that is just equal to negative 1, then plus 2, that is just equal to positive 1. So therefore, we have dito, no, ang final natin will be plus 1. Again ha, bakit plus 1 yan? Kasi 1 minus 2, that is just equal to negative 1. Then negative 1 plus 2, that is just equal to positive 1. Itong si 4x dito na-cancelled because they have opposite sign, no? So we have positive 4x dito, then negative 4x. Plus natin yan, that will be equal to 0. So cancelled out. So therefore, ang matira na lang sa atin dito will be this one. So we have 4x squared plus 1. So therefore, si h of f of x is just equal to 4x squared plus 1. And this will be our final answer. Okay? So again, ang tip lang dito is, of course, dapat alam natin kung ano yung first function natin at saka ano yung second function natin. Kasi yung first function natin, that will be our basis. At saka yung second function natin, yun yung impose natin, yun yung i-compose natin sa first function to solve composition of functions.